Hi friends, it's me Sarah, and this is Nacho. Welcome to my hometown, Manchester. It's famous for its great universities, football, music, and food. I'm from Manchester, you're from Paris, and now we're going to visit some of my favourite places in Manchester. Come on, let's go. Today we're going to a football match. I used to come here often. There are two famous football clubs in Manchester.
Do you support Manchester City or Manchester United?
City, of course. I'm a Manchester City fan. I don't like Manchester United.
That's a good choice.
When we talk about what we like, we can say, I'm a fan of, or I like. We can also use ing to talk about our activities. I like playing football. I like watching matches.
I like cheese.
Yes, you do, Nacho. You like eating cheese. In Manchester, football is more than a sport. It's a feeling.
Come on then, let's go.
Nice one, Nacho. Manchester is famous for music too. Some of the best bands in the world come from here.
Hello, I'm Joe. Welcome to my famous shop. What sort of music do you like?
I love indie music and British rock, especially Oasis. Do you know them?
Classic Manchester. You've got good taste. I like New Order and the Bee Gees.
Those bands are from Manchester too. I'm a fan of the Stone Roses. I used to go to James' concerts too.
I go to lots of concerts. I love watching live music.
When we talk about music, we can say, I love, or I'm a fan of, or ask, what kind of music do you like? We can also say, I enjoy, and ing. I enjoy listening to music. Here are some more examples of saying what we like to do. I like going to concerts. I love watching my favourite band. I enjoy listening to live music.
Meow.
Maybe Nacho will start his own band, the Rolling Cats. And here's something else Manchester is famous for. Curry. British people love curry. Manchester has some of the best Indian restaurants in the country. When we talk about food, we can say, I like eating, or I love trying. If we compare, we can say, I prefer A to B. I prefer mild curry to spicy curry.
Welcome. Table for two?
Yes, please. 1 human and 1 cat.
Ha ha ha, no problem.
Do you remember from our lesson in Paris how to order? We say, can I have, or I'd like. Hi Raj, I'd like my usual paneer tikka masala curry, please. Oh, and can I have a garlic naan bread too, please?
Good choice, Sarah.
Cheese curry.
Yes, Nacho. Paneer is Indian cheese. Just like I order at our favourite Himalayan restaurant back home in Palaiseau. It smells amazing. Manchester is full of culture, music, football, art, and delicious food. When we talk about where we're from, we can say, I'm from Manchester, or I come from England. I'm from Manchester and I love my city. Sometimes it's cold in Manchester, but we have warm hearts. People in the north of England are very friendly. Today we learned how to talk about what we like, what we prefer, and where we're from. What about you? What are you a fan of? Tell me in the comments. Next time, we're heading somewhere sunny and full of dancing. See you soon, language adventurers.
Let's fly. Pack your dreams and grab your mug, you know why. Sarah's teaching words, Nacho's by her side. Every lesson's an adventure on this worldwide ride. Sarah and Nacho, off we go. From Paris, Last to Tokyo, we'll say hello. Sarah and Nacho, feel the tune. Learn across the world, we'll see you soon. Hop on the train to London, catch that ride. Big Ben chimes and Nacho's eyes open wide. Then off to Rio, colours fill the air, dancing words and laughter follow everywhere. Sarah and Nacho, off we go, teaching English new and far we take it slow. Sarah and Nacho, feel the tune, join our adventure every day. See you soon. See you soon. From cafes in Paris to sky.